In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious blue cheese popover recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of room temperature milk, 3 eggs at room temperature, half a cup of blue cheese, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of butter. In a bowl, we're going to add the eggs and beat them. Add in the milk and continue to beat the eggs until completely combined. Add in the oil. Season with the salt and the cayenne pepper. Slowly add in the flour while mixing to make sure that everything is combined and that there's no lumps left. Cover with plastic wrap and let rest for 1 hour. We're going to take our butter and we're going to use it to spread the inside of a muffin pan. Remove the plastic wrap from our mixture and we're going to add it to our muffin pan. Sprinkle the top of the muffins with the blue cheese. Bake this in the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to take a knife to poke holes into the top of the muffin so that we can release the air. After poking holes, we're going to let it cool completely. Our blue cheese popover is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.